Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Hilda again. Today I'm going to be doing a room makeover and I'm really so excited to share with you all. So I decided before getting into the tutorial, I would like to show you around the bedroom. And as you can see, the bedroom is empty. I just have my wardrobe mounted on the wall, which I'm not going to remove. I plan to leave it here because there's no need to remove it. I'm just going to put a rug here. I'm going to cut this part of the rug out. So the rug is only just going to cover every necessary place that you can see. Right now I'm going to do some cleaning by starting to vacuum clean the floor, and after that I will be also mopping the floor. Once it's dry, then I will start laying the rugs. Before mopping the floor, I decided to open the windows to let some fresh air come in, so when the floor is wet it will be able to dry quickly and also ventilate the atmosphere for a fresh air to come in. So this room makeover is also more like doing some general cleaning in the house, which requires me to clean the mirror of the wardrobe. So I'm cleaning it up because I have a lot of space now. I'm going to make do of this space by cleaning and keeping everywhere tidy before I place the rug on the floor. To make the rug fit properly to the room size, I had to cut out some parts, or shaping it rather, to make it fit exactly to the size of the room, just like you see me doing now. So after cutting out the excess rug, it looks like everything sits properly and the wardrobe doors can easily slide to the left to the right without any obstacle. Now I'm about to lay the middle rug in the center of the room, but I need to cut it first because it's actually a big rug. And I'm going to place it on the 4-foot of the bed. I like to do it this way because I want the rug to be seen on the foot of the bed and also in between the middle, and more like a border for the bed and also a decoration for the bed bench. Right now I'm installing the bed. It's quite big, massive and heavy. I actually got help from someone that assisted me to carry the bed, so I'm just installing it by myself right now. Actually it took so much time, but yeah, after this I'm going to start laying the bed sheets, the pillows and the duvets. I like the bedroom to look nice, neat, and well arranged. I know you guys will be wondering what am I doing with so much pillows. Yeah, I love pillows so much, and I like my bed to be laid properly. So now the bed is laid, arranged, and ready to be slept on. So right now I'm just going to place the duvet on the bed and make it look more arranged and more presentable. Now the bedroom is almost taking shape, so I'm just going to hang this frame on the wall, and then I'll move into placing another mirror. Yes, we have another mirror in the bedroom. I like to have a lot of mirror in the room because it makes the room to look more bigger, spacious, and obviously I can always admire myself on the mirror. A bedroom is not complete without a luxurious, beautiful curtains hanging by the window. To make the curtains spread out properly and look nicer, I had to use a toilet roll to spread them out, like separate them. As you can see on the curtains, there are kind of space in between. The curtains are not like smashed up together, but rather spacing out the curtains makes it look more elegant and outstanding. These curtains actually shades the light from coming in, so it can actually make the room look darker if I want it, and if not, I can actually open it for a broad day light to come in. And one last thing before the room is ready, I need to put the side stool beside the bed and also place the flower pots, the lamp, and the books as well to decorate the corner of the bed. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I install these IKEA bedside tables. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please, if you do enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it, and please, if you're new to this channel, I would really love you to subscribe and join my squad. You are highly welcome. Like to see your comments below. Thank you very much. Bye.